Howdy YouTube, this is the Country Boy Survivalist coming at you. This year is going to be my 2015 flashlight collection. My first video of this kind. And it's long overdue. Now, I absolutely love flashlights. My philosophy on them is you cannot have enough. And there's no way you can have too many of them. So with that in mind, let's get started. First, it's a Coron or Corno or something like that. Not sure, but anyways, it's one with some tools that help with when you're fishing. I bought it for my fishing kit, but I don't have it in there anymore. And as you can see, it still works. Never changed the battery in it. Bought it a year or two ago. And yeah, it still works perfectly. Now, for my next one, it's this one here. It's USA Cree XPE bulb, and it's a Furton Professional, and you can see the number there. It's a multifunction light. It's got high, medium, low, strobe, and SOS. And it's a tactical light because of the modes and because of the bezel there. This is my bug out bag slash self-defense slash whatever light. I just love that light. Cost over $40 Belize dollars. Because that's where I bought it. At a local store there. And I tell you, you may think you need to bring your tactical flashlights there, but as long as you got a little bit of spending money, you can buy a good one while you're there. This one's also from there. It's don't know if you recognize that brand. Come on, focus. Anyways, yeah, it's a winter camo. Also got a bezel. It came with two filters, a blue and a red, that you can clip onto there. But I don't have any on there right now. It's also multifunction. High, medium. No, actually high, low, and strobe is all that it has. That bezel is one mean some bitch of a bezel. This here is my camping flashlight. Most definitely. And my EDC flashlight right now. Yep. The one that I saw when to get in my last video. Streamlight Microstream. Single mode. That's all I need. I absolutely love this light. I use it every single day. At least once a day. I just absolutely love it. I love the rubberized feel it has. And it's still the first battery. One AAA battery. You don't need anything else. And this is my ThruNite TI3 Mini EDC. It's a twist top one. There's a moonlight mode, medium, and high. And there's also a hidden strobe mode, but I'm not going to show that to you right now. Take too long. And I also have this twisting one. It's the Streamlight Nano. but it needs new batteries, as you can see. So, oops, I dropped it. I'll pick it up when the video's over. So yeah, I usually have that one on my keychain. And yeah, that's my 2015 flashlight collection. This has been the Country Boy Survivalist. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.